Hello, viewers, and welcome to Silicon India's 7th edition of Bangalore Real Estate Award 2020, the annual award that honors and recognizes the best projects and builders from across Bangalore. This year, we have taken our event virtual and are pleased to bring the 10 projects that make to their list this year. Moving to our next winner is Epitome's Elan. Elan, that is a blend of innovation in everything it does, starting from design to delivery. This helps to meet the changing lifestyle and aspirations of today's home buyers. We congratulate Syed Hidayat from Epitome on winning this award. Let's hear from Syed what he feels about winning this coveted award. Over to you, Syed.
Hi everyone, this is Syed Hidayat from Epitome Builders, Bangalore. We are a real estate development entity based out of Bangalore, primarily focusing into residential and mixed use development. Let me first of all thank Silicon India for the recognition and award for our upcoming project Epitome Elan. It is indeed a privilege and honor to share this recognition with all those involved in the making of Epitome Elan. At Epitome, we are driven by passion and have derived a clear purpose to redefine urban living. By doing so, we aim to make a positive impact by enhancing the overall well-being of urban dwellers who face demanding situations due to the fast-paced life and work environments. Talking about residential, we recognize that buying a home is one of the most important decisions in everyone's life, and as developers, we take this responsibility seriously. We truly believe that innovation in every aspect of construction, from design to delivery, is essential, especially to meet the changing lifestyle and aspirations of home buyers today. This is clearly reflective in our upcoming project, Epitome Elan. Located on 80 feet Link Road in JP Nagar 8th phase, Epitome Elan is in the midst of a residential hub with established social infrastructure and has easy access to Banagatta Road, the future growth corridor of Kanakpura Road, and is less than 2 kilometers from the upcoming metro station. All of this will add to substantial value appreciation in the near term. Elan is also one of the first projects with a unique live work play concept in the mid segment. It has a 20,000 square feet exclusive clubhouse offering resort inspired amenities for a little over 200 homes, which is significant by industry standards. Further, every home at Elan is also compliant with the emerging concept of work from home and offers a safe environment and daily conveniences at the doorstep. So what makes Elan so unique is the holistic approach to offer ultimate luxury and an outstanding living experience. There are a host of attributes and reasons to own a home at Epitome Elan, starting with unique integrated concept, functional design, modular construction, luxury amenities, smart home technology, global brands, and sustainable features. Every aspect is thoughtfully and meticulously embedded to transform the lifestyle. In addition, compliance to IGBC Green Building Standard provides sustainable living and reduced cost of maintenance in the long term. To make Elan a landmark project, we have put together the best design and execution team. The main project architects are the acclaimed Siraj and Renu, supported by leading services consultants Designtree, and execution is by one of the most reputed construction companies, MFAR. Project management is by Vermilion, which is headed by the alumni of prestigious institutions like IIM, IIT, and NICMAR. The core team has successfully completed landmark projects across all segments of real estate and brings in more than 100 years of cumulative development experience and thereby rich insights into all aspects of construction management. So feel welcome to visit Epitome Elan and transform your lifestyle with luxury, leisure, and conveniences all at your doorstep. We thank Silicon India once again for this recognition and award. Thank you.
I congratulate all the winners who have made to the list and wish them very best for their upcoming projects too. Silicon India is pleased and honored to screen and award such projects to help our readers in finding their dream home. We wish everyone best of luck.